Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at that's coming from X9 Studio, and X9 Studio gets down on some watch faces, people. So I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can go have a closer look for yourself. Now this video is not going to do it justice at all. Alright, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this review off. The name of the watch face is called X9 Recon. Now in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. It's going to be unique. It's going to be an analog look. Not bad at all. Once the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. I love the look of the hands. I like the style. I like the way it lights up. And I like the numbers that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. Down at the bottom, you're going to cycle through your step status info and your day and your date. You also get digital time down at the bottom, which means, people, you get the best of both worlds. Get your date in the middle. I'm loving the theme. I'm loving the design of this watch face. I thought the developer did an awesome job on it. Now, you do get some shortcuts, right? You do get some application to tap into. So if you tap right here, you can get your calorie burned information. Here, heart rate. Here, you're going to be able to get your step status info. And over here, you're going to be able to put in your water intake. This is not bad at all, but what this developer also gives you is an opportunity to set favorites. So if I tap on the 4, the 8, the 10, and the 12, I got 5 favorites that I could set on this watch face. The developer did a great job. What do you think at the end of the day, people? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.